Gawin natin dito. What would be your answer to me? Sige daw, tanungin kita. Just pretend you are my aide in the office of the President.
I asked that,
And
sir,
I would say
because-
that, there's a request by Faildon. He wrote us a letter asking for another job because he was just fired. What would be your answer?
Sir, I asked that because you did reappoint him after you let him
Yes,
go as
kaya nga, correct. You are correct there. I did, but because yung sa customs, he was responsible for the collection of 38 billion. He was the one who gave me the tip na mayroong tatlong bodega dyan na puro peke ang stamps. So, sabi ko, alright, go ahead and call the police and to assist you. Raid the place. Na-raid nila. We recovered from itong yung sa